Hey guys, this is Bryce with Richardson's RV. Today I'm in Riverside to show you guys the brand new 2022 Genesis Overnighter 5th wheel 4016 FS. Here we go. Alright, this is brand new from Genesis. So what they did is they listened to everyone's wants and pretty much all their advice on making a triple axle overnighter. I used to have a 12-14-6 RK model. I loved that guy, and then I sold it. It comes with a 4,000 watt gas generator, because this does have a 40-gallon fuel station, 2 propane tanks with an auto switch on there, so if one tank runs out, it'll automatically transfer over, so on and so forth, unless you're completely out. You have battery tray right here on this side, spot for 2 of them right here, and then here's all your connectors showing you what's being connected right here. Inverter on this side, and then the transfer case or whatever it's called on that side for the generator. Nice pass-through storage. 4 steps into the coach instead of a 5-fold or a 3-step. Triple axle, so this guy will hold just shy of 7,000 pounds. If I'm not mistaken, it's 6,883 pounds on the deck. Yes, these are, you do have a 7,000 pound axles, but you only want to carry 6,883 pounds back here. That should hold pretty much anything that you're going to be towing. It's 14 feet, 6 inches of deck space by, I want to say 90 inches. Nice little party deck. When I went to the beach, I used to cook on here, all that good stuff. Your tank sizes are 100 for fresh, 50 gray, 50 black. All right, let's check out the inside. Like I said earlier, you can carry 14 feet with the cargo outside, but then you have this giant door and tie-down points inside that you can add maybe a quad or dirt bikes, or even whatever else you guys bring, ice chests. You have 2 beds right here, and then a 3rd bed up top. 6 cubic foot refrigerator with freezer separate. Same one I had in my overnighter. The one thing I did wish we had in mine was obviously a generator and an oven. So I like to make food while I'm out in the desert, lasagna, whatever else. Same size microwave as the overnighter. So this one will have a 190 watt panel with a 1500 watt inverter. So that's going to give you a couple hot plugs inside the coach. One in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, one in the bedroom, and obviously your TV as well. Radio right here, which will control your CD player, will control this TV if you do choose to add one. Nice cabinets throughout. And then one also new thing for 2021, I think, or 2, is that they started adding Wi-Fi on these coaches. Take a look at that. So this is your Wi-Fi name, and your password's all right there. All caps lock, by the way. Alright, and then up here you have your thermostat for both your heater and your AC. And then in here, before the step up into the bedroom, you have a huge bathroom. I'm 6'5", have plenty of space, even in the shower. Pretty decent. Actually take a shower. And then they equipped it with a porcelain toilet, which I wish I had in mind. The standalone sink, vanity, and a medicine cabinet. And then up top, take 2 steps, and you're in the bedroom. So this is a queen bed. You do have a little bit of access panel right there for storage. 2 closets, overhead cabinets, 2 dresser drawers, if you want to call those, and then tons of storage underneath. Put some extra chairs or whatever else you guys are going to take camping. And then up here, you do have a TV backer. It is all right here. Put TV. Well, that's the end of our tour. This is the 4016 FS Genesis Overnighter. It is a 2022 model and it's brand new. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 951-452-0202, or you can reach me at ddixon@richardsonsrv.com, Dixon, D-I-X-S-O-N, or you can reach me at my Instagram handle, which is Wheel Estate, E-S-T-A-T-E, Bryce. That's on Instagram. Thank you guys.